Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. We are going to talk about how to use Sendgrid to send emails. In this video, we will demonstrate the Sendgrid interface. We will also show you how to create an email template on Sendgrid and how to use Sendgrid to send emails for free. So watch this video till the end to better understand all the steps. Let's begin with a short introduction. Sendgrid is a cloud-based tool that allows you to send emails without having to maintain email servers. You can use Sendgrid to send emails for free, but for this, you need an account on it. To get a free account, click on the Sign Up for Free button on the top right corner. With Sendgrid, sign up is free. You don't need to enter any credit card details. To sign up for free, enter your email ID and password here. Complete the reCAPTCHA. Tick the Terms of Service and Privacy Notice box. And finally, click on the Create Account button. On the next page, enter the details in all the required fields and then click on the Get Started button at the bottom of the page. After successfully signing up, you will be taken to your dashboard. This is your dashboard. At the top of the left side bar here you will see your name, and from this drop down menu you can access account details, setup guide, help and support, and lastly sign out. Before sending an email using Sendgrid, you need to create a sender identity. There are two ways of doing this, but we recommend creating a single sender to get set up quickly and test your email integration. To do so, click on this Create a Single Sender button. On this page, you need to provide your basic details as a sender, like your name, email address, reply to, and others. Fill all the required fields here and then click on the Create button. Now you need to verify your email ID. After successfully verifying your email as a sender, you will see it here. Use these three dots to edit the sender's details, and you can also delete it from here. You can also add a new sender apart from yourself. To do so, click on the Create New Sender button here. Now to start your email campaigns with Sendgrid, you need a template for your email address. Click on the Design Library tab in the left sidebar. Under the Design Library page, you will see three tabs: Your Email Designs, Sendgrid Email Designs, and Your Images. All the email design templates that you will use will be shown here under the Your Email Designs tab. If you want to create your email template from scratch, you need to use the Create Email Design button, or you can also use Sendgrid's template for your design. For this, click on the Sendgrid Email Designs tab here. On this page, you will get lots of templates that you can use freely for your email campaigns. From the left sidebar, you can select a category, and you can see there are lots of categories here, like real estate, hospitality, newsletter, restaurant, travels, and many more. Scroll down and you will see all the templates, and once you have selected your desired one, hover your mouse on it and then click on the Preview button. On the preview page, you can preview this template for desktop, mobile, and as plain text. This is the desktop view of the template. Scroll down to see the complete preview. Under the Mobile tab, you will see the mobile preview of the template. Under the Plain Text tab, you will see the text-only view of the template. This view is useful when the image is unable to load on the viewer's side for some reason. If you're satisfied with this preview and want to use it for your email campaigns, click on the Create Single Send button on the top right corner. Now you need to select your editing experience level, whether you're a design editor or a code editor. With Design Editor, you can use the drag and drop feature with a basic HTML editor, and this is very simple, so we do recommend it. With the code editor, you will get access to feature-rich HTML editing with a visual preview for complete control of every pixel. But this is recommended only if you have knowledge and experience of coding. Select one. Here we are continuing with the design editor. This is the editor page for the template. In the center of the page, you will see the complete desktop view of your email. You can customize it from the left sidebar. Under the Settings tab in the left sidebar, enter the name of the sender here. If you are the sender, enter your name. Now here enter the sender's email address that you have already verified with Sendgrid. Here enter the email subject and then enter the pre-header here. Now enter the category for this email template. It will help you organize your email campaigns and statistics. Now you need to select the recipient's email address. If you've already uploaded your contact to Sendgrid, you can add it from here, or else you need to create new contacts. If you want to exclude any specific recipients, from here you can enable or disable them. And from here you can select unsubscribe group, whether it is custom link or a global unsubscribe group. And lastly, from here you can schedule your email to a specific date and time, or you can send it instantly. Now let's move on to the Build tab. Here under the Add Modules tab, you can add elements like image, text, columns, button, and more. Under the Global Style tab, you can customize the body of the email like the background color, text color, link color, font family, and the font size. Now to edit or change any elements in the template, you have to click on it and use the left sidebar to customize it. Like here, if we click on this image, the customization tools will appear in the left sidebar. Here enter the URL link of the image and here enter the alt text. From here change the padding of the image and from here you can enable or disable the image responsiveness. And lastly, from here you can do scaling or set alignment. If you want to change this image, hover your mouse on the image and click on the Edit Image button. From the top right corner on the image, use the delete icon to delete the image. You can change or customize all the elements in the template. Simply click on them and then use the left sidebar to customize it, just like we have shown earlier. And once you're satisfied with the design of your email, you are ready to send it. Click on the Review Details and Send button here. Preview your email and once you're happy with it, click on the Send button on the top right corner and your email will be sent to the recipients. With this, we have completed our tutorial on how to use Sendgrid to send emails. This brings this video to an end. We truly hope it helped you. If you have any suggestions or want us to make a video on a specific topic, feel free to comment below. We will see you soon in our next one. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel.